Now here we got two great birds. You could see they're in a good mood. Notice the feathers on one all puffed up, ready to attack. Yes, I said attack. These birds will attack you, especially that one right there. I don't know. There's something else. I'm going to see if I can get them to talk to you. Hello. 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 Say hello. You have nothing to say. Nothing at all. And how is she doing now? That's the one right there. I was walking by the cage. She jumped on top of my shoulder and bit the shit out of me. That's what she's trying to do. I think, no, she's just eating. He's over there looking. Great birds, though. Really great. Got bit enormous amount of times. They draw blood. But to look at them, you would think they were so precious. Hello. Hello. I'm going to get Amber to play with them. Maybe she could get bit, and we could have that on the video for you guys to watch.
I ain't going to get bit. I'm the only person they haven't bit yet.
They're trying to bite me. They never bit me.
They're trying to attack, but they're going to hit home run because the one time I...
They never